Mbere yo muri district ya Kitagwenda bwa hatirunonji kandi kine kijeho bwa nyuma y'aba State House Health Monitoring Team okoreshwe kweto bakakwata mukuru w'abakozi n'abandi bataano omur Andrew Baguma or district engineer Patrick Tsembo or commercial officer n'abandi bona barakwika mukaga.
One is Cow, Mr. Sebandeke Richard, the nomination expeditor and the principal assistant secretary. Baguma Andrew is an engineer, district engineer. Ahabw'obushomankuzi Mary, assistant engineer. Tsembo Patrick, acting CFO. Engineer Moses, assistant engineer Moses Tuguma. The authority flouting the procurement procedure.
Twamanyisibwa ngo bakwatsirwe bakejumbera omukozi kubi miliyoni gana his government yasindikije district ya Kitagwenda okora biro mu kitongole cy'ebyamagara.
So tutiro umuntu twetorora ntumo health facilities amuna district yanga kashanga esente za health barukuze burinkanye. So wecho cyatuma twapata abantu batanu bizoba.
The bosses in this district they flout procurement procedures with impunity, and they execute projects through what they are calling force on accounts. Okay, but while we are investigating this, we found that there was a lot of corruption in doing so.
Abakwatsirwe ahitwa korora makuraga baba bari ha polisi ya Kitagwenda obokutunoza kurukugenda minjo. Office zabo bwa hati zikinjire kandi kurugira hari mukuru w'intebe ya katano ekishanyarize mirimo.
The district is on a standstill, whereby I have no chief administrative officer, and of course his junior officers, they are in fear.
We are trying to ask technical officers, technical government officers, to do that they are supposed to do. Else, we will continue to arrest them. Else, they will continue to be interdicted, and more so, they will lose their jobs.
Gasha kwa Timothy Mushabi.